The Happy Hula Hoop Day. In the vibrant town of Playville, there lived a lively girl named Ava who loved hula hooping. Her hula hoop was a magical one, gifted by her grandmother, and it sparkled in the sunlight. Ava could make the hula hoop spin for hours without it falling down, and she loved to show her skills to her friends. One bright and sunny Saturday, Ava decided to host a hula hoop day in the town square. She invited all her friends and neighbors to join in the fun. Everyone was excited as they knew Ava's events were always filled with joy and laughter. As the clock struck 10, the town square was buzzing with excitement. Colorful balloons and streamers decorated the area, and a big table was set up with delicious treats like cookies, cupcakes, and lemonade. Ava greeted everyone with a big smile and handed out hula hoops to all the children. "Let's have some fun and show off our hula hoop skills," Ava announced, twirling her magical hula hoop around her waist. The children eagerly joined in, trying their best to keep the hula hoop spinning. The square was filled with laughter as everyone enjoyed the activity. Ava showed them different tricks, like spinning the hula hoop around her arms and even her legs. The children were amazed and tried to mimic her moves. Next, Ava organized a hula hoop contest. The participants lined up, and the challenge was to see who could keep their hula hoop spinning the longest. The crowd cheered and clapped as the contestants gave it their all. In the end, a little boy named Max won the contest, and Ava crowned him the hula hoop champion with a sparkling ribbon. After the contest, it was time for a hula hoop dance party. Ava put on her favorite music, and everyone started dancing and hula hooping together. The square turned into a lively dance floor, with hula hoops twirling and spinning in all directions. Even the adults joined in, laughing and having fun with their children. As the sun began to set, casting a warm golden glow over the square, Ava brought out a surprise, a giant rainbow hula hoop that glowed in the dark. The children were thrilled and took turns spinning the magical hula hoop, watching it light up the night. The hula hoop day ended with everyone gathered around the treat table, enjoying the delicious snacks and sharing their favorite moments of the day. Ava felt a warm glow of happiness, knowing that she had brought so much joy to her friends and neighbors. From that day on, Hula Hoop Day became an annual tradition in Playville, bringing laughter, fun, and togetherness to the town. Ava's magical hula hoop continued to spread joy, creating cherished memories for everyone. The end. I hope the story brings a smile and lots of happiness to a child's day. Rainbow balloons, cyclone sparkles.